everybody, stay home, stay safe. I am Kamini Panchal, teacher of Mercy Sandipani School. Today I will teach you EVS subject and the lesson is clothes we wear. In this lesson we are going to learn why we wear clothes, different clothes for different seasons, what are clothes made up of, clothes according to occupation, care of clothes. Let's start with the lesson.
Clothes we wear. The body can be covered by shirts, arms by sleeves, legs by pants और skirts, hands by gloves. शर्ट से हम हमारी बॉडी कवर्स करते हैं, स्लीव से हमारे आर्म्स कवर्स होते हैं, पैंट से हमारे लेग्स कवर होते हैं और ग्लव से हम हमारे हैंड्स कवर करते हैं. Clothes are an essential part of our life. According to the season, we should wear clothes. In India, we have 3 seasons, namely summer, rainy, winter. Clothing is important because it reflects an individual's culture, personality. हम जिस प्रकार के कपड़े पहनते हैं, उससे हमारी संस्कृति दिखती है. People can use clothing to enhance their personal appearance. अच्छे कपड़े पहनने से हम सुंदर दिखते हैं.
Why we wear clothes? हम कपड़े क्यों पहनते हैं? Early humans lived in caves and forests. जो पहले के जमाने में लोग थे वो कहाँ रहते थे? गुफा में और जंगल में. They used animal skin, leaves and grass to cover their bodies. वो पहले कपड़े नहीं पहनते थे, लेकिन वो अपने कपड़ों की जगह पर पत्ते और घास लगाते थे. Clothes protect us from the heat, rain, dust, cold, weather and insects. कपड़े हमें धूप, बारिश से बचाते हैं और किसी इंसेक्ट्स यानी कि कोई कीड़ा ना काटे. How are clothes made? कपड़े कैसे बनते हैं? Clothes are made by weaving and knitting. Weaving can be done by hand or machine. कपड़े हाथ से या मशीन से बनाए जाते हैं. When a cloth is ready, it can be stitched into different outfits such as shirts, pants, सलवार सूट्स, फ्रॉक्स, स्कर्ट्स, एक्सेट्रा. जब कपड़ा तैयार हो जाता है तो हम उसमें से अलग अलग चीज़ें बना सकते हैं, जैसे कि शर्ट्स, पैंट्स, सलवार कमीज, फ्रॉक वगैरह. Clothes are made from natural fibers like cotton, jute, wool and synthetic fiber like nylon, polyester. Clothes हमें natural fibers में से मिलते हैं, जैसे कि कॉटन में से कॉटन प्लांट में से कॉटन, वूल शिप में से मिलता है और मेन मेड फाइबर में से नायलॉन और पॉलिस्टर मिलता है. Cotton clothes. When it is hot, high temperatures during summer season, we wear clothes made of cotton. हम गर्मी में कॉटन के कपड़े पहनते हैं. Cotton plants give us cotton. These cotton clothes absorb the sweat from our bodies. They let the air in and keep us cool. They are light in weight. Woolen clothes. In winter season, we wear woolen clothes as it protects us from cold winds. हम सर्दी के सीजन में गर्म कपड़े पहनते हैं जो हमें ठंड से बचाते हैं. They are made up of wool, leather and fur. Sheep gives us wool. From dead animal skin we get leather. In places where there is too much of snowfall, people wear clothes made of from fur. Example, Jammu Kashmir. Rainy clothes. When it rains, we carry umbrella. Some of us wear raincoats. Gumboots are worn to protect us from the muddy water. बारिश में हम गमबूट पहनते हैं. Raincoat is made of plastic sheet. Humans have invented clothes according to the climate and their type of work, such as an astronaut wears a space suit, soldier wear bulletproof jacket, diver wear diving suit to keep his body safe. Bomb defusing squad men wear this type of clothes to protect them from explosion. Construction workers wear this type of clothing which is visible even when there is no light. Firefighter wear this type of clothes to protect them from fire. A lawyer wears black coat. Priest wears this type of clothes. Priest matlab pujari. Postman wears this type of clothes while delivering letters and parcels. A chef covers his head by caps and his body by apron. We wear different kinds of clothes at different times. Small baby's skin is more sensitive than elders. Their clothes need to be comfortable and light so that they can play easily. We wear fancy clothes on occasion like birthdays, marriages, etc. Some like wearing clothes made up of silk. Silk clothes are smooth to touch. They are made from silkworms. Some traditional dresses have become national dresses. Sari has become the national dress of India. इंडिया में ज़्यादातर साड़ी पहनी जाती है, इसलिए वो नेशनल ड्रेस है. A child wears an uniform when he goes to school and wear casual clothes at home. In our country, we celebrate many festivals. So we wear colorful and beautiful clothes according to festivals. हमारे देश में हम बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स मनाते हैं जिसमें हम बहुत सुंदर कपड़े पहनते हैं. जैसे नवरात्रि में हम केडिया और चनिया चोली पहनते हैं. यह तमिलनाडु का ड्रेस है. Care of clothes. It is important to take care of our clothes. We should keep our clothes properly in the cupboard. Wash clothes with soap, detergent regularly, as clean clothes protect us from certain infection. हमें रोज धुले हुए कपड़े पहनने चाहिए. Woolen and silk clothes need a lot of care. Some clothes should be dry cleaned as they get damages by plain washing. कोई कपड़े ऐसे होते हैं जो घर पर धोने से खराब हो जाते हैं, इसलिए उसे ड्राई क्लीन में देने चाहिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच एवरीबॉडी.